Do you remember fishing with your grandpa, catching frogs at the water's edge? I am sure you do. Some of these precious childhood memories of nature tie back to wetlands. Hello everyone, this is Gursevak Singh and welcome to my brand new episodic podcast on wetlands. Wetlands occur between the places that are always dry and the places that are always wet. They help in reducing flood damages, helps to keep our water clean and ensure that we have enough water to drink and use in our businesses. But the ability of wetlands to provide these benefits depends upon how we use and manage our land and water. This episode is all about wetlands and the significant role they play in protecting the global ecosystem. Wetlands are a natural wonderland of plants, animals, and of course water. They are considered to be the most biodiversical ecosystems on this planet. They are also called the nature's kidney because they cleanse the environment. Further, they are considered into coastal wetlands, lakes, rivers, swamps, and marshes on the basis of their hydrological, geological, and ecological characteristics. In India, wetlands occur in all states and union territories. On the basis of number, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh have more than 1 lakh wetlands. Now let's revive our childhood memories once again. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch the pail of water. Remember children's all-time favorite nursery rhyme? Have you ever thought why Jack and Jill went all up to the hill to get water? It is because of shortage of water supply in their areas. It is the wetlands that help in maintaining the water supply. Wetlands have several other benefits on environment as well. For instance, they help in maintaining the water quality by removing the inorganic ingredients. Wetlands receive, store and release water in various ways which plays an important role in hydrological cycle. They are a habitat for fishes, wildlife and plants. Many plants and animals depend on wetlands for their survival. Wetlands have a lot of species of plants which have a great medicinal value. They are a source of timber as well in many areas. For the better future of our humanity, we need to conserve these wetlands. However, the number of wetlands are experiencing a rapid decline. National Wetlands Conserving Program was launched in India in 1985 to prevent their further degradation. Our collective lack of awareness about wetlands have made them the globally threatened ecosystems. Our future is inextricably tied to these natural environment. Let's unite once again and protect these precious gifts of nature. Stay tuned.